Ndumiriri iria cirarekererio ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri o muthenya cia kuonania ati namba ya arwaru eru wa COVID-19 ni cokete thi na njira nene ciaya gukorwo nicio ciratuma a Kenya kugonderera hari kurumirira mawatho ma kuhurana na murimu uyu. Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni theretie ikira Kenya matikahenio ni namba ya arwaru eru gucoka thi mateanirie mitaratara ya ufashiriri kuona mashini cia guthima na ciarehwo kwa wingi bururi-ini gutire uwi maumirira.
Our testing is at an all-time low, and it is because of the global supply chain challenges we are facing with testing kits. So let those numbers that we report yesterday of 48 and 396 give an indication of a flattening curve. And as Customer said here, there are very many parameters to look at when you're talking about flattening of the curve. So let it be clear from the desk that the curve is not flat.
Ministry yugete ati ni guthondeka ikundi cia ataramu aria meguthie matura-ini guthuthuria na guthomithia muingi njira cia kuhimbiria mitugo na mikarire ya guteithiriria kuhurana na murimu uyu.
And so we are using an approach known as BCC, Behavior Change Communication, where we are engaging the community at the grassroots levels, trying to find out what exactly is the challenge when it comes to adhering to some of these measures that we've put in place, and how can we put in place incentives that really help the public to understand why it is important to adhere to these measures.
A Kenya magithiaga na mbere kuririkanio bata wa wimenyereri bururi-ini wandikithitie andu angi 96 aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu thutha wa ithimi 3,270.
This brings to total our confirmed positive cases in the country to 36,301. And from our cases today, all are Kenyans except for 4 who are foreigners. And in terms of gender, we have 70 of them being male and 26 of them being female, with the youngest being a 5-year-old child and the oldest being 81.
Andu angi 121 ni mahonete magikinyiria namba ya aria mahonete 23,368 kuma riria murimu uyu waingirire bururi-ini. Ona kuri uguo andu 10 makwite kumana na murimu uyu, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ikiuga 7 hari acio 10 matirari na mathina mangi ma mwiri o tiga murimu uyu, undu uria ufatie kuonia muingi bata wa kwigitira.
These gains can be reversed if we do not continue to adhere to these measures. And that is why day in, day out, we really remind you all to wash your hands, to maintain that physical distancing, and to ensure that you are masked.
Ministry yugite niranyitanira na honge itiganite niguo kugitira aruti wira rungu rwa ugima wa mwiri o undu umwe na guthikiriria mateta mao maria mangigiriria mahote gutungatira arwaru wa COVID-19.